In this video, we'll see the recipe of hot and comforting sweet corn soup, perfect for these winters. To a mixer grinder jar, add half cup boiled sweet corn and grind it to a fine paste and keep it aside. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon butter to it. You can also replace it with ghee or oil. Then add ginger and garlic and saute for 10 to 15 seconds at medium flame. Now add 1/4 cup finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup finely chopped button mushrooms. This is optional. Saute for a few seconds. Then add water. I'm adding total 3 cups in this recipe. 1/4 cup boiled sweet corn and then the prepared corn paste. Half teaspoon crushed black pepper and 1 green chili. I've made a cut in the green chili. And then add the remaining water. Some salt as per taste. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons sugar. And when the soup starts boiling, add 1/4 cup spring onion, the green portion. Then add cornflour slurry. And you need to continuously stir it till the soup thickens. If you want to make the soup more thick, you need to add more cornflour slurry. But I like it this way. So our soup is ready. Serve it right away hot. It tastes amazing. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. The salt and the pepper if you would like. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.